Welcome to it. It is your Mad Monday edition of your Drive Thru, and we are living it up right here on Niu FM. Swiss Slow Wine, and he joins me live in the studio for his debut on the Drive Thru.
Yes, sir. What's up?
My man. First, very quickly, Slow Wine. You know, you ain't got no place to go.
Yep.
You know, take it slow.
Yep.
What exactly are you? What exactly are they doing in this song?
It's more like it's a pretty simple dance. Like, you know, a lot of people expect the girl to sort of be like dancing dirty, but it's not. You know, it's more just like a simple sway of the hips. And
I saw the music video for the first time today. Your new track, which we'll talk about later on.
Yep.
And you've got these dreamy eyes along the clip, but it's no camera tricks. You actually have dreamy eyes all the time.
oh, thank you, bro.
Yeah. Am I the first guy to ever tell you that?
Yeah, you are, bro. It's quite weird.
Do you still have notebooks of all your writings when you were younger?
Yeah, man. Like, I just, you know, it's always good to look back and, you know, sort of laugh at the memories that were sort of made back then and all the girls that I used to like.
Yeah, I was going to ask, was it one song for each girl? Or was there a certain girl that...
There wasn't that many girls, bro. I'm a good boy, man. It sucks, yeah, because I'm actually singing about men. Women are willing to purchase a man off the rack, but then they want to take him home and make alterations that witness some adorable traits such as a man's inability to stand before an open refrigerator. I would be nothing without my fans. Like, those people who show up to my shows, those who bought my EP last year and stuff, I wouldn't even be where I am right now. And even the radio stations, if they didn't play my music, then I'd, you know, who would Swiss be? Just another kid, you know, sort of just jamming on the side of the street.
They call me Swiss, by the way.